This is the world's smallest folding single motorcycle trailer. Or, I don't know, that's a lie. Maybe. But this is the USA Trailer Store Ace trailer that's going to be used to haul my bike pulled behind an Audi S4 Avant with a V8. Stick around to see the delivery and first assembly of this trailer. So it comes in a pallet, just like that, in the truck. Here we go. A little bit of a dent there. Wonder, yeah, it's on the wheel, isn't it? It's just a hubcap. Should be fine. Clean up the pallet and everything else and then push it to the garage. Here you go. So initial unboxing and looking at it, I think, yeah, it's pretty small. I mean, you know, it should work. A little bit of damage. It's alright. Well, I guess we gotta assemble it and see what it looks like. Alright, we made it. It's here, and now I'm going to show you where it's going to live. See, look at that right there. I think if you can see it, it fits perfectly in essentially a single car garage workshop. Check it out. That is a very compact form. I would not even imagine that a stand-up trailer would even fit in here. That is impressive. But one thing we need to do is we need to assemble it and see what it looks like fully assembled. But I'm sweating again. A gift for you, motorcycle. A gift for you. Alright, so here we go. So first full assembly. And well, I mean, it works. Everything looks pretty good. It went together all right. I would say pretty easy. Just got done Loctiting and getting those on there. And yeah, I guess a few notes before I do really a full review. So I don't know what happened, but with these here, to fit the ramp in, there is no way I'm gonna make that angle to get the ramp in. So right now I don't have a ramp to go up and on. Yeah, I don't know what's going on there. I think I gotta bend some things or cut some things, but is what it is. I really like this wheel moving design, even though it's a little janky. But I think that's really, really cool. That's going to be awesome when I put it back over here and store it, and when it's not in use to get it around the garage. These trailer lights look like they were wired by a 5-year-old. Then again, I probably couldn't do any better, but I mean, come on. What's going on there? It's a little rough, hey? But you got 2 tie-down points here on the axle itself, and then 2 at the front that you actually add on there. And yeah, I would say not the sturdiest things in the world, but all right, we'll see how it goes. This also wheel chock. I mean, I guess that's what you expect, but I think probably the dumbest thing that we'll run into, and yeah, I'll show you guys once the bike's loaded up and on there, but this pin right here that holds this whole ball assembly and everything on is so tall that I bet you my tire will stop right there. And even if you go the other way, so it's not angled, you still have this nub sitting right here, which I'm hoping it doesn't hit the tire, but from the looks of it, it probably will hit the tire. Other than that, a little confusing when you unfold it which way it goes, but then you look for the tabs and you're fine. That's easy to go from there. But yeah, you know, it's not all that bad. I thought it was going to be like way worse, but I'll take it. Yeah, it works. So I guess let's fold it up and let's put it back in its home so that I can do a full review of this. So there you have it, folks. That is the USA Trailer Store Ace folding motorcycle trailer. From delivery to initial setup to storage, and I don't have a trailer hitch on my car yet. So official review will be coming next. I think there's a few things that I pointed out in there that I didn't really like about it, but some simple things that I can change. There's a whole bunch of pieces that I still got laying around that I don't know where they go, and I got to figure out that rear ramp situation. But other than that, overall, I'm kind of a little bit impressed with the whole setup, the way it moves, definitely the compact size, but I still don't know how it trailers and how it hauls my bike. So I guess it's not fully complete. I'm a third of the way there. So I'm not going to give any full judgments or ratings until that time when I know all the pieces are in place and I've at least tested all those pieces, or maybe I've broken 1 or 2 already. But overall, I think it was a good experience. I'm going to throw some numbers out there to you, but I'm going to correct them because I don't know exact numbers. But the cost of this trailer was about $1,300. Then shipping was probably $200 to $300, making the total package $1,632 and some change. I'm pretty sure I'm close with that one. So overall, for $1,600, brand new, shipped to your door, doesn't matter if it's residential or a business, I think that's pretty good for, well, what you get. Now, the problem is, since I live in Illinois, I still have so much money to give the state and the DMV, like probably $378 to be exact, for the title for $151, the registration for $36, and then I think the plate fee or whatever, since it's this time of year, $191. Stupid. Fuck you, Illinois. But that still has yet to be done, and I get trailer paperwork today. So overall, as the first third of this review for the Ace trailer, pretty good. I guess you got to see setup, breakdown, and quite frankly, I'm probably gonna get pretty good at the breakdown and the setup. It's gonna get faster and faster. But I hope you enjoyed today's video and the delivery of the USA Trailer Store Ace motorcycle trailer. And remember, keep riding.